Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Growth English channel.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us.
I'm Janny,
And I'm David.
and today we're going to talk about 3 words that you probably already know.
Yes, very common words, but
Very easy to confuse.
the words are want, wish, and would like.
And I think many learners use want for everything.
Yes.
But sometimes it doesn't sound natural.
Or sometimes it sounds too direct.
Exactly. Today, we're going to help you feel the difference,
Not just understand,
but use them naturally.
in real conversations.
Okay, David, let me ask you something simple.
Go ahead.
What do you want right now?
I want coffee. I feel a bit tired, so I need something to wake me up.
Always coffee.
Always.
Let me try.
Okay.
I want to go on vacation. I've been working a lot and I feel like I need a break.
That sounds very real.
Let's pause here.
Okay.
Want.
Feels direct.
Simple.
Very clear.
No distance.
No politeness.
Just what you want. Say this. I want coffee.
Now, I want to rest.
Good. Let's continue the conversation.
Okay.
You said you want coffee.
Yes.
Imagine you're in a cafe.
Okay.
Do you say, I want coffee?
That sounds a bit direct.
Yes,
Maybe even a little rude.
exactly.
So instead,
We say,
I would like a coffee.
perfect.
Oh,
What?
same idea,
Yes.
but softer,
More polite.
more natural in public situations.
Exactly. Let's explore this more.
Okay.
Imagine you're at a restaurant.
Hmm.
The waiter asks, what would you like?
And I say, I would like a coffee and maybe something to eat.
That sounds perfect. Now imagine you say, I want a coffee.
It sounds a bit strong,
Yes,
not very polite.
exactly. So here's the feeling. Want, direct.
Would like, polite,
Same meaning.
different tone.
Say this out loud. I would like a coffee.
Now, I would like to speak English better.
Good. Let's talk again.
Okay.
If you had free time this weekend, what would you like to do?
I would like to relax, maybe watch a movie, and spend some time with friends. I don't want to do anything stressful.
That sounds nice. What about travel?
I would like to travel more this year. I feel like I need new experiences and a change of environment. What about you? What would you like to do this year?
I would like to learn new things, maybe improve my English even more, and also take more time for myself.
That's a good goal.
Yes. Now, let's change the feeling a bit.
Okay.
I want.
Yes.
I would like.
Yes.
But I wish I could travel more.
Oh, that feels different.
Yes.
It feels
Emotional.
a bit sad?
Or maybe.
Something not possible right now.
Exactly. I wish I had more time.
I wish I didn't feel so tired.
I wish I could travel more.
These feel deeper.
Yes. Say this out loud and write in the comments. I wish I had more time.
Now, I wish I could rest.
Good. So now, just feel this. Want, real, direct.
Would like, polite.
Wish, not real now, more emotional.
That's already a big step.
Yes. Today, we started feeling the difference.
Without pressure.
Without heavy rules. All right. Now I feel like something is starting to click.
Yes, the words are not just words anymore.
They have feeling now.
Exactly.
But now we need to go deeper into wish.
Because that one,
Can be tricky.
yes, very tricky sometimes.
Let's go back to something you said earlier.
Okay.
You said, I wish I could travel more.
Yes.
Why didn't you say, I want to travel more?
Because I do want to travel.
Yes,
But right now, maybe I can't.
exactly.
Maybe because of work
Or time.
or money.
So wish
Shows a difference between reality.
and what you want. Let's make it very clear. I want to travel, possible, real.
I wish I could travel. Not possible now.
Feel the difference.
Don't memorize, feel it.
Let's talk about daily life.
Okay?
Do you work a lot during the week?
Yes, I do. I have a busy schedule, and sometimes I feel like I don't have enough time for myself. I wish I had more free time so I could relax more and do things I enjoy.
That's very real. I understand that. I feel the same sometimes. I wish I didn't have so many responsibilities during the week.
Yes. You see?
These are real emotions. Say this slowly. I wish I had more time.
Now, I wish I could relax more.
Good. Can I say something? Yes.
I've heard people say, I wish I have more time.
Yes.
That sounds okay, but
It's not correct.
why?
Because with wish,
We usually go a bit into the past form,
so we say, I wish I had more time.
not, I wish I have more time. That's interesting.
Yes, but don't think too much about grammar.
Just remember the feeling.
When something is not real now,
We use wish,
and the sentence sounds a bit like the past.
even if we're talking about now.
Exactly. Now let's compare want and would like more clearly.
Okay.
Imagine you're with a friend.
Mm-hmm.
You say, I want to eat.
That's fine.
Yes, very natural with friends. Now imagine you're in a restaurant.
Okay.
You say, I want to eat.
That sounds a bit strange.
Yes.
Not very polite.
So instead,
I would like to eat something.
perfect. Let's act it out.
Okay.
I'm the waiter.
Oh no. Pressure.
Don't worry. Good evening. What would you like?
Good evening. I would like a coffee and maybe something light to eat, like a sandwich.
Perfect. Very natural. Now try again, but say, I want coffee.
I want coffee.
How does that feel?
Too direct.
Yes,
Almost like a command.
exactly.
So the difference is not meaning.
It's tone.
Want is direct.
Would like is polite.
That's very important.
Very important. Do you want to go out tonight?
I'd rather stay home, actually. I feel tired, and I just want to rest.
Okay. What would you like to do at home?
I would like to watch something relaxing, maybe a movie or a series.
That sounds good.
Yes, simple plans.
Say this. I want to rest.
Now, I would like to rest.
Feel the difference.
You see what's happening?
Yes.
We're not just learning words.
We're learning how to sound natural.
and how to sound polite and human.
Now your turn.
Speak out loud, pause, and complete the sentence.
You're in a cafe. Say, I would like.
You're talking to a friend. Say, I want.
Now something deeper. Say, I wish.
Take your time.
Don't rush. All right. Now I feel like these 3 words are no longer confusing.
Yeah, they feel more alive now.
Exactly, not just grammar.
But real language.
And now, let's just talk.
No lesson.
Just real conversation.
I like that.
Let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
What do you want right now, in this moment?
Right now, I just want to relax. I've had a long day, and I feel like I need some quiet time to slow down a bit.
That makes sense. What would you like to do later tonight?
I would like to watch something light, maybe a movie or a short series, something that doesn't require too much thinking.
Yes, those are the best sometimes. And deeper, what do you wish you had more of in your life?
That's a good question. I wish I had more time for myself, more time to rest, to think, and to do things that I enjoy without feeling pressure.
That's very real. I feel the same sometimes. I wish I didn't feel so busy all the time.
Yeah. You see, that's different from want.
Yes,
Wish feels deeper.
more emotional. Let's stay here for a moment.
Okay.
Imagine this. You wake up in the morning.
Hmm.
You don't want to get up.
That's real already.
You just want to stay in bed.
Yes.
But you have work.
So I get up anyway.
During the day,
I feel tired.
and you think,
I wish I could go back home and rest.
later,
I meet a friend,
they ask, what would you like to do tonight?
and I say, I would like to relax, maybe eat something simple and just take it easy.
That's a full day, using want, wish, and would like.
Wow,
What?
these words are everywhere,
Yes.
and they all feel different.
Exactly.
Want is simple.
Would like is polite.
Wish is emotional.
Perfect. Let's make this very clear before we finish.
Just 3 ideas.
Want, direct, real.
Would like, polite, softer.
Wish, not real now, emotional.
That's all you need to remember.
Yes. Now your turn, but this time, answer fully.
Don't give short answers.
Speak like a real conversation. Question 1. What do you want to do this weekend?
Question 2. What would you like to eat right now?
Question 3. What do you wish you had more of in your life?
Take your time.
Think.
And speak.
Hey, David, one last question.
Yes?
Do you want to travel this year?
Yes, I do. I really want to travel more and explore new places. I feel like it would help me relax and see things differently.
That sounds perfect.
Yeah.
And deeper, what do you wish for?
I wish I had more time to enjoy those moments. Not just travel quickly, but really experience them.
That's beautiful. Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, don't stay silent.
Write in the comments.
1 sentence with want,
1 with would like.
and 1 with wish.
Make it personal.
Make it real.
Make it yours.
And if you're not sure,
Try anyway.
that's how you grow. If you enjoyed this episode,
Like the video
subscribe to the Growth English channel.
and share it with someone learning English.
Learning together is easier.
And more meaningful.
And remember,
You don't need to be perfect.
just keep practicing.
Step by step,
Day by day,
you are getting better.
we believe in you.
We really do.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.